Thank you.
Well, well, well. This is what we have. My grass is dormant, but the weeds are very much alive and awake and kicking. So I have this weed eater and I'm going to get busy. I'm going to get busy. I really, um, I don't do this too often, but I'm going to try to do it more often now because the string broke on my little weed eater from Aldi and I didn't know how to replace it. So I finally figured out how to replace it. So now I'm back in business. Me doing this little bit of maintenance, it helps me with not having to call the landscaper out so often. So this year, I plan on calling him out maybe like once a month, as long as I can keep it maintained and keep the weeds down. Because overall, I don't feel the grass itself grows so much totally. It'll just be little spots, you know? So I can do a little spot check with my little Aldi weed eater. That's one place that you can find some finds in there. It's not all about the food. Go into the Aldi's finds section. That section has a lot of gems. And if you haven't been to Aldi's, you're definitely missing out. If you feel like you're against Aldi's because oh, it's no frills. No, you're missing out. You're missing out. I'm telling you, they have stuff, they have the same stuff that everybody else has as far as the fines. And it's just a cheaper price. And even as well as the food. You know, if you're in all these, it's all types of foods, but we're just gonna stay on the tools. Like I even got a pruner from Aldi. I got a pruner, a tree pruner, and some other tools that can cut stuff. All right. Yeah, so I just went around and I got the weeds. The grass is still dormant. I had the landscaper come out about, let me see. He came out about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, 3 weeks ago. I'm going to have him come back next week. But I like to have things looking a certain way. Like, I don't like when there's little spiky spikes spiking up throughout the lawn. And not to say that, oh, it has to be so perfect, but I live in the HOA anyway. So they want it to be almost perfect. Almost perfect. You know, you definitely want to have it nice. So um, I'm just taking my time and working my way through this whole situation. Oh, and by the way, if you notice that I have on a mask, it's because I'm allergic to grass. And this is why this is why I normally, stray away from it. But I took some allergy medication, threw on the mask, cleaned it up with the blower, and bada boom, bada bing. Now everything is pretty much even. I think I might have missed a one or a two, but that's not a big deal. I might wind up going back out there tomorrow, but if not, I'm definitely scheduling an appointment ASAP to get the grass cut next week. The weather has already changed, spring has already sprung. This grass will be green in no time. After I did this work on it, I did put the sprinkler on and I did let it get a little water. We had rain maybe about a week or so ago. But I put a little water down just to kind of help the process out because we definitely have the weather for it now. This particular morning, it was just a little chilly. Like you definitely needed on a sweater, but I was sweating by the end of doing all the work. I was definitely sweating, but overall, you got to do your chores, right?